My name is Stanley J. Dudrick, MD, FACS. I was a professor of surgery at Yale University and was chairman of the Department of Surgery and director of the program in surgery, which is a teaching program at St. Mary's Hospital in Waterbury, Connecticut, which is an affiliated hospital and in the teaching program of Yale University. I was very fortunate in my work in that I was successful in developing a technology and components to feed a patient entirely by vein. Advocare appeared to me to be the only company that I could find who were interested in the same goals that I had for patients. Advocare is not about selling supplements or products. Advocare is about conveying a whole style of life.